Have you ever seen a spider plant so full and overflowing that it looks like a beautiful green fountain cascading from a hanging basket? Those lush, graceful leaves and dangling baby plants can completely transform any room into a vibrant indoor oasis. The good news is that you don't need expensive fertilizers or years of gardening experience to achieve this stunning look. Most spider plants fail to reach their full potential simply because they aren't given the right growing conditions. With just a few simple changes to your plant care routine, you can encourage faster growth, longer arching leaves, and dozens of baby spiderettes that spill beautifully over the edges of the pot. In today's video, I'll reveal 5 proven tricks that professional indoor gardeners use to grow spectacular spider plants that everyone admires. Whether you're a beginner or a long-time plant lover, these easy tips will help your spider plant become healthier, fuller, and more dramatic than ever before. So grab your favorite houseplant, stay until the end, and let's turn your spider plant into a breathtaking living fountain. Number 1. Give your spider plant plenty of bright. Indirect light is the single most important factor in creating a spider plant that spills beautifully like a fountain. Although spider plants can survive in lower light, they grow much faster and produce longer, more graceful leaves when they receive bright, indirect sunlight for several hours every day. Place your plant near an east-facing window where it receives gentle morning sun, or position it a few feet from a south or west-facing window with a sheer curtain to filter the harsh afternoon rays. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves and leave brown patches, while dark corners slow growth and cause the plant to become thin and weak. To encourage even growth, rotate the pot a quarter turn every week so each side receives equal light. This simple habit prevents the plant from leaning in one direction and helps create a balanced fountain shape. Healthy light encourages strong roots, vibrant green leaves, and the long, arching foliage that makes spider plants one of the most attractive indoor plants. Number 2. Grow it in a hanging basket or elevated pot. If you want your spider plant to resemble a flowing fountain, where you place it is just as important as how you care for it. Hanging baskets, wall planters, or elevated plant stands allow gravity to naturally pull the leaves downward, creating the elegant cascading effect everyone loves. When the leaves have room to drape freely, they grow into graceful arches instead of becoming bent or crowded against furniture or the floor. Hanging your spider plant also gives its baby spiderettes plenty of space to dangle naturally, making the entire plant appear larger and fuller. Choose a basket with good drainage holes to prevent excess water from collecting around the roots. A decorative hanging planter also improves air circulation around the foliage, helping reduce moisture-related problems. As the plant matures, each new arching stem and baby plant adds another layer to the cascading display. Over time, your spider plant becomes a living waterfall of lush green leaves that instantly becomes the focal point of your home. Number 3. Water properly and avoid overwatering. Many people believe watering more frequently will make a spider plant grow faster, but the opposite is often true. Spider plants prefer evenly moist soil, but they absolutely dislike sitting in water for long periods. Always check the top inch of soil before watering. If it feels dry, water thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then empty the drainage tray so the roots never sit in standing water. Healthy roots are essential for producing long, arching leaves and abundant baby plants. If the soil stays soggy, root rot can develop, slowing growth and causing yellow leaves. On the other hand, allowing the soil to become completely dry for too long may result in brown leaf tips and weak foliage. Whenever possible, use filtered, distilled, or rainwater because spider plants can be sensitive to fluoride and chlorine found in tap water. Proper watering keeps the foliage vibrant, supports strong root development, and encourages the lush, cascading appearance every plant lover wants. Number 4. Feed regularly. During the growing season, just like people need nutritious food to stay healthy, spider plants need regular nutrients to produce lush foliage and impressive cascading growth. During spring and summer, when the plant is actively growing, feed it once every 4 weeks using a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength. This gentle feeding schedule provides essential nutrients without overwhelming the roots. Nitrogen promotes healthy green leaves, phosphorus supports root development, and potassium strengthens the entire plant, helping it resist stress. Avoid applying too much fertilizer because excessive salts can build up in the soil, causing brown leaf tips and slowing growth instead of improving it. During autumn and winter, reduce feeding since the plant naturally grows more slowly. Combining regular feeding with bright light and proper watering creates ideal conditions for rapid leaf production and abundant spiderettes. Over several months, you'll notice longer leaves, richer green color, and a fuller fountain-like shape that becomes more spectacular with each new season of growth. Number 5. Let it stay slightly. Root-bound 1. Of the biggest secrets to growing a spider plant that overflows with baby plants is allowing it to become slightly root-bound. Unlike many houseplants that need frequent repotting, spider plants actually perform better when their roots fill most of the container. As the roots become comfortably crowded, the plant often shifts its energy toward producing long flowering stems and dozens of hanging spiderettes instead of simply growing more roots. Resist the urge to repot every year unless you notice roots pushing aggressively through the drainage holes or circling tightly above the soil surface. When it is finally time to repot, choose a container only one size larger than the current pot. A pot that's too large encourages excessive root growth instead of leafy growth. Maintaining this slightly snug environment encourages a fuller, healthier plant with long, cascading leaves and plenty of babies. With patience, your spider plant will reward you with the stunning fountain effect that makes this classic houseplant so popular. Now you know the 5 simple tricks that can transform an ordinary spider plant into a spectacular, cascading fountain of lush green leaves and adorable baby plants. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Give your plant bright, indirect light. Display it in a hanging basket. Water only when needed. Feed it regularly during the growing season, and allow it to remain slightly root-bound before repotting. These small changes work together to create healthier roots, stronger foliage, and the graceful arching growth that every indoor gardener dreams of. With a little patience and consistent care, your spider plant will become one of the most beautiful plants in your home, attracting compliments from family and friends alike. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest indoor gardening guides. Share this video with fellow plant lovers and let us know in the comments how your spider plant is growing. Thanks for watching and happy planting.